Hi everyone, like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family. This is Brittany. Again, thank you for watching. Today what I want to share with you, what's on my mind. I just woke up and the way that I start my day is with gratitude. And that's an important part of my schedule. And the reason why it's an important part of my schedule is because it impacts the way that I appear in the world for the rest of my day. And when we set our sails for happiness, when we feel abundant, when we appreciate everything that we are, and we start the day like that, and we are forward thinking and can rely on some of those more positive outcomes, we end up stepping into that reality while we are living out our day. And so that's why it's so important to wire your brain correctly in the morning. And by making this one of the first things that you do when you wake up, or implementing rituals, likewise, even before you go to bed, you are literally rewiring the brain. And when you wake up in the morning and make a conscious decision to change the way that you're thinking, the brain literally creates new neural pathways. And as you're making decisions throughout your day and you're noticing things improving and becoming a little bit more positive, that's going to be a really good indication that this is something that's making a change in your life. And so I have a journal here that I use. So this is mine. It's just like very nice. It's got nice covering and stuff. It's soft, so I can have it right next to my bed, kind of snuggle up at night when I want to record my notes. And so at the top of this particular one, they have a morning and a night section. And the morning says, I am grateful for, and leaves you 3 blanks. Then it has a section saying, what would make today great? And leaves you 3 bullet points. And then it has an affirmation section. And so you can kind of write in affirmations for yourself that follow the words I am here. And this is literally going to change your brain's ability to think positively throughout the day and create a more positive reality for yourself. Because I can assure you that, we have things happen, and I'm very understanding about that. Things have happened in my life too that I feel were out of my control at times, but what I could control was the way I was looking at what was happening. And some of the worst things that happened to me are things that I've come to be the most appreciative for. And so incorporating a ritual like this is going to change your life, I promise you. And so they also have a night section that says you can record kind of 3 amazing things that happened today, or how you could have made the day better. And so I know that's a little, silly to be doing, 3 and 3 and 3. And, I'm a big proponent on people customizing things. And so whatever way you want to focus on gratitude in the mornings and in the evening, and kind of setting the tone for the day that you've had, as well as setting the tone for the days that you want to have, is going to be something that makes a really big difference in your life. I know that it has for me. And so let me know how familiar you are with gratitude, and if this is something that you've tried before. If you have, I know that it works. So please share your stories with me on how gratitude has worked for you, and how being appreciative has really been able to change your lives. I'm really curious to hear other people's stories as well. And so, yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me the role gratitude plays in your life. And thanks for watching.